Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Not going to waste any time today. We're pulling the engine on the old 5J number 1113. Step one is we're going to make life easy for ourselves and just get the seat tank and the fenders here right out of the way, because this big bell housing piece comes with the engine and it'll give us better access to all the bolts anyway. So step one, get those off. Next piece will be the radiator. Get it right out of the way. And since our lifting capacity is rather limited, I'm going to take a lot of these peripheral items off to lighten the load. So first off is the oil filter, followed by the breather. Next I'll take off the injection pump, which is seriously a lot heavier than it looks. And then the fuel pump. And finally, if I can work it off those really long studs at the back, the fuel filter housing. And as long as we got this party going, I've decided to bite the bullet, take the water pump off too, because it's gonna have to come off anyway, and kind of want to protect the fan. So that's out of the way. Okay, now we got to raise the engine so we can get the mainspring out from under it. Chained up on 4 corners, now we see if it's going to come off. Go on. So here's the results of today's efforts. We have the engine off of the chassis and sitting in here in a shop. It's not the big shop or the nice shop, but it's under a roof and we've got heat. It's due to start snowing any day, so when I get some spare time I can come out here, start busting this thing down, see what it's going to take to get these pistons out of the bores and get that bottom end apart, assess the condition down there, hopefully find something worth using. But I can tell you this block has seen better days. Now that we've got everything off of the side of the engine, it is cracked between every block gusset. I mean, from front to back, this whole side is just wavy and heaved out. So it has pretty well seen better days. I don't think that block is going to be repairable, certainly not by me. But as I've alluded to in the comment section, I've got 2 other engines just like this sitting around that I can pull parts from. So I'm not too worried about that. But anyway, like I said, guys, I'm probably going to be transitioning to that prototype Moline again. That's going to be my priority project, but I'll get out here from time to time, pick some pieces off of this, and if I make any progress or find anything out, you guys will know. As always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below, and tune in again.